Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to JetBlue Credit Card. Manage your Barclays account step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone or computer. Type barclays.com in the address bar and press enter. Confirm you are on the official Barclays site before entering any information. Find the login button and click or tap it. On the login page, locate the username field. Enter the username you created for your Barclays online banking profile. Move to the password field. Enter your password carefully with the correct capitalization. If you are on a private device, you can choose to remember your username if the option is available. Click or tap Login to access your account. If you see a security check, follow the prompts to verify your identity. If Barclays sends a one-time code, choose your preferred delivery method. Enter the code exactly as received and submit it. After logging in, look for your JetBlue card account on the account dashboard. Click the JetBlue Credit Card to open the account details page. Review your current balance, available credit, and recent activity. To view statements, select Statements or Documents from the menu. Choose the statement month you want and open or download the PDF. To make a payment, click Payments or Make a Payment. Select the payment amount, such as minimum due, statement balance, or a custom amount. Choose the payment date that fits your schedule. Select your funding account, like a linked checking account. If you have not linked a bank account yet, add it by entering routing and account numbers. Double-check the payment details and confirm the submission. To manage alerts, go to Settings or Alerts and turn on email or text notifications. To update personal info, open Profile and edit your address, phone number, or email. If you forgot your login details, use Forgot Username or Forgot Password and follow the reset steps. Always log out when you finish, especially on shared or public devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.